This week we're taking a look at the beautiful 2020 Ram Rebel Crew Cab 4x4 with the EcoDiesel engine. This is a serious off-road pickup, but it's also a joy to drive on the pavement. I liken it to being a little brother to the Ram Power Wagon we reviewed last April. Under the hood, we find the third generation V6 Ram turbocharged EcoDiesel that is actually made by Ram affiliate Fiat. As usual, the horsepower looks low at 260, but the torque is strong at 480 pound-feet, and that's what's important. It's hooked to a very responsive 8-speed automatic transmission. You also have other engine choices in the Rebel, including the 5.7 Hemi. While this truck is outwardly good looking with its factory lift kit, Bilstein shocks, 33-inch tires and 18-inch wheels, the raised cowl hood with air vents tells you this truck is tough and capable. As you move to the inside, you'll see a huge interior that will comfortably seat 5 adults. There's a large center console between the front seats that are embroidered. The Rebel seats are very comfortable and everything's easy to reach. One thing I love about the Ram is the way the back seats fold up to reveal in-floor storage bins. Large gauges are easy to read, and there's a massive 12-inch UConnect screen on the dash that looks like a large vertically placed iPad. This system operates everything, including the 19-speaker Harman Kardon sound system, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, the Wi-Fi hotspot, and a host of apps you can personalize. On the safety front, you get lane keep assist, full speed collision warning, adaptive cruise control, blind spot warning, and adaptive steering. My Maximum Steel metallic review truck has roughly $21,000 in options, so it's extremely loaded. Most notable are trailer towing package, remote start, keyless entry, power heated seats, a power tailgate release, which is awesome, a trifold tonneau cover, and terrific surround view camera system that allows you to see the cargo in your pickup bed. One of my favorite options is the Ram box. It's built into each side of the bed, and they are lockable and waterproof. You can buy accessories to hold shotguns, fishing rods, and more. There are plugs in the bottom for drainage if you want to put ice in there, and one of my favorite features is the toolboxes and tailgate all lock when you lock the truck itself. Other options include the multifunction tailgate that drops down or opens out for easy loading. Also a panoramic moonroof, adaptive cruise control, and park assist. Fuel economy is terrific as you would expect with a diesel. It's rated at 21 in town and 29 on the highway. Range when I filled it up was 735 miles. You can generally expect to get over 350,000 miles out of a diesel, which makes the $5,000 upcharge for it palatable. Plus, the diesel engine is truly whisper quiet. Towing capacity when equipped right is 11,500 pounds. MSRP on this Ram as equipped is $70,080. The only thing I can see it's missing is cooled seats, and that puts it in line with other half-ton diesels on the market. Thanks for riding along with us today for another CarPro test drive as we look at the 2020 Ram Rebel EcoDiesel. Now, if you think this might be the truck of your dreams, go to CarProUSA.com and click on Certified Dealers to find the nearest approved Ram dealer to you.